Hi everybody, this week's summer reading club theme is aviation. For that, I'm going to do a tiny airplane craft for you. For this craft, you will need scissors, button, popsicle sticks, a clothespin, and some glue. Our first step is going to be cutting the popsicle stick. So I marked out on our popsicle stick where I will be making the cuts. To make it a little bit easier to cut, we recommend putting the popsicle stick in warm water for about a minute. For our next step, you're going to grab your clothespin and your two colored popsicle sticks and some glue. Take your glue and add a dab there. And then repeat that step on the other side of the plane. Like that. Our next step will be getting the propeller on. So for this, you're going to want your glue, and those pieces you cut earlier. You're going to want to use the ones with the flat edges. And then pick out a button. While I let my airplane dry, I'm going to color my stabilizer pieces. For the last step, we are going to glue the stabilizers onto the back of the airplane. And if you'd like to color your airplane more and decorate it, you are more than welcome to. But besides that, we are done. Thanks for joining us for Summer Reading Club's Aviation Week. I hope you enjoyed this craft video.